Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Neil in Missouri on his Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Neil got this thing ready to go for you, bud. She's rocking and rolling. Fully truckerized unit. Think you're really going to enjoy it. Let's just get right to it. First of all, obviously I got your high cut filter right here on the back. To me, that's a must. Hear all that white noise? Gone. White noise? Gone. Very handy. And that's just on the dummy load. Imagine how it is out there on the live on the air. Alright, Neil, we're going to start with RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. 25 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run a monster amp, you can. 125 all the way up. In case you want to throw a big dead key maul. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, audio. What about that? About 315 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, audio. 799.99 watts. Alright, Neil, we'll get this out to you, man. I really appreciate you. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.